Johnson gave us?
It's ridiculous.
And boring.
I think it sounds pretty cool. I can't wait to see what type of technology they use there.
In the factory, what is it? MCS, what do they even do there?
I guess we'll find out tomorrow when we go there.
Boring.
I'm excited.
Manufacturing is really great because we get to build things from the beginning of something when it's nothing and create it into something that people use in their everyday lives. Here within the facility, we help build the Queensboro Bridge in downtown New York City, and we also help build things for the Department of Defense to help our soldiers, sailors, airmen, and Marines, and National Guardsmen fight and defend our country. And I love knowing we can help build things to help them.
Welcome to MCS, or Mission Critical Solutions. MCS is a custom metal fabricator and precision CNC machining company located in Allen Bank, Pennsylvania. Here at MCS, a simple flat piece of metal sheeting can be transformed into anything. Some of their customers include the U.S. Defense Department, the transportation industry, and energy and mining companies.
So on a daily basis, I keep track of material and projects flowing through the shop so that we can get them out the door and on time to our customer.
A single sheet of metal from the steel mill will make its first stop at the plasma table. There, a technician enters certain codes into the machine that tells it how and where to make the cuts. Once the cuts are made at the plasma table, the piece of metal then has to be cleaned up. Through this cleaning process, something like this can be transformed into this refined product. From the machining department, the sample then moves into the fabrication areas. This is where the finishing touches are added to turn the sample to the precise exact product that the customer ordered.
Well, that was more fun than I thought it'd be.
I'd have to admit, it was anything but boring.
Yeah, it really makes me feel like I can have a future career in manufacturing.
See, I told you it would be cool.